Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Today we are doing a full face of my current monthly beauty products, what I was loving in the month of September. Jeez, I cannot believe September is over, you guys. October is here by the time this video is going up. Might be still September, might be the 1st of October. October is an exciting month for me because my little one, Lincoln, is turning 2. I can't believe I've had him in my life for 2 years and I love him so much. I'm way too excited to be showing you guys everything that I've just kind of been using and reaching for a lot. These products seriously are so bomb. I have several foundations. Obviously, I only have one face, so I can't test them all out and show you guys how they all look on my skin. But I will kind of just show you guys like a little preview of what foundations I've been loving. So with that said, I hope you guys are excited for today's video. I hope you guys eye some new makeup that I will be talking about today, and if you are ready, then you already know, grab your cafecito and let's jump into today's full face of products I've been loving from the month of September. Before we jump in, I quickly want to thank Dossier for working with me once again in today's video. You guys know that I've been working with them for years now, and thanks to Dossier, I can continue to bring you guys videos like this. So let me show you guys 2 new perfumes that I recently just got in and I am obsessed with them. We have Floral Violet. This one is inspired by Marc Jacobs Daisy. This one works really well with like the pH in my skin and it just makes it smell so good. I know that this is more of a like summer spring scent. The other one that I got's kind of on a whim and I was like hoping for the best and I totally fell in love with it. It's called Floral Rose and this one is inspired by the Le Labo Rose 31 perfume and it's this one right here. It smells so delicious, you guys. It literally smells like when you get a fresh bouquet of roses and you like shove your nose up in them to smell them. That's exactly what it smells like. Also, don't forget at checkout, Dossier has a new payment method that lets you earn a store credit. So all you have to do is select catch at the last step of checkout and you earn $10 as a sign-on bonus credits. You can also get rewarded with 10% store credit on every order. So make sure you guys pay attention at checkout. I'm going to start off with the skin, and I'm going to be taking my Clinique Pore Refining Solutions Instant Perfector Primer. This one has just been my go-to for months at this point. I go back and forth between tons of other primers, but this one is seriously just the best. If you suffer from like large pores, skin texture, bumps, acne bumps, this one is seriously so good. It not only controls the shine. Do you see how shiny I was? Shout out to my new skincare routine, you guys, because it has been making such a difference. Oh my goodness, I was just talking in one of my last videos on how bad my skin was doing, and I started this new skincare routine using pretty much all of the Ordinary products, and I've been consistent for about a week now, and I have seen such a difference already. Obviously, a week is not enough for me to like get huge results, but I can tell a difference just in the way my skin feels and it looks. So for foundations, like I mentioned, I have a few, so I will be using one and then just giving an honorable mention to all of the other ones. So I don't know which one I want to use. I kind of want something light on the skin today, so I will probably use the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear. This one is in the shade 485. It's just been my go-to ever since I repurchased it a few weeks ago. I cannot put it down. It is so lightweight and it has medium to buildable full coverage. If you have oily skin, like this is something that you need to try out. Also, it has sunscreen broad spectrum of SPF at 25, which is definitely a bonus. If you want something a little bit more thick, a little more full coverage, something that's just going to make your skin look flawless as well as a little bit less matte, then definitely go for the Revolution IRL Filter F12 and F10 foundation. Well, these are my shades. This foundation is so beautiful. IRL stands for in real life, and it really does look like you have a filter on your skin. It just looks so pretty. And if you want something super full coverage and very This one is super comparable to the Good Apple from Kat Von D, but a lot less heavy than this one from She Glam. Is so good, you guys. It is the Skinfluencer Full Coverage Foundation Balm in the shade Golden. This stuff is so good. It glides on like butter. It blends out beautifully. It's medium to full coverage. The only thing for me is that it does make me a little bit oily throughout the day, so you either have to really just prep the skin and mattify it, or maybe just avoid it at all if you are extremely oily. But the weather is changing here in Texas finally, so this is a foundation that I will be definitely reaching for during like the winter here. Let's go ahead and apply our foundation. So for my concealer, I have two different shades. These are the new Sephora Best Skin Ever Full Coverage Multi-Use Concealer. I have 17.5N and 20 Neutral. Honestly, 20 Neutral works pretty decent for me. This is such a good concealer. It is full coverage, just like it says. And it just wears so nicely throughout the day. So for my bronzer, I'm using this one from She Glam. It is the Terracotta Sun Sculpt Liquid Contour. And this one, you guys, is seriously so good. This one as well, you can kind of just like leave it on the skin and you don't have to worry about blending it out too quick. And then I'm going to give myself a little nose contour. Here, and then here. Then for my blush, I have been obsessed with this combination, and I will show you guys the powder in just 1 minute, but this is also from She Glam. It is called the Love Cake Color Bloom Liquid Blush. They have some new shades, and this one is my favorite. Everybody right now is obsessed with like this like baby pink color, and girl, so am I. Like I'm such a follower, right? I usually don't like these types of colors, but I've just been obsessed with it, and I cannot put down this color. It is so pretty. I am going to go in and just blend everything with my sponge. So for setting underneath the eyes, I have fallen in love with the Maybelline Fit Me all over again. Like, this is a product that I know is like bomb, but it's kind of a product that I neglected. I'm going to move on to the skin. I actually haven't tried this, so we're just going to try it together. This is the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Medium Dark 15 Press Face Powder. So hopefully this is not too dark, but I picked this up because if you guys remember, they sent me like a cute little PR box, and of course, ooh, I had to try it with you guys. So far so good. It's not too dark. Oh my gosh, that makes my skin look so soft. For blush, you guys, the hype is real with the Juvia's Place Blushed Rouge Palette in Volume 4. I'm telling you, this color pink is like super trendy right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over the blush because as you can see, it kind of faded away. So I'm going to take a little bit of this soft pink right here, and I'm going to mix it with that hot pink, but just a little bit because the hot pink is super pigmented. Look at that. It makes the skin look so soft. Oh my gosh, I love this. I'm just going to apply a little bit of the blush right here on the top and then on the nose. For my highlighter, I have been obsessed with this one ever since I went to Utah. It is from House of Labs. It is the Bio Radiant Gel Powder Highlighter. Again, this one just, it works so well with like textured skin. So I'm just going to apply a generous amount, and I like to just mainly focus it right here. You can also bring it to like the apples of the cheeks, pero como que it's not really my look. It looks pretty on some people, but I don't really like it on me. I'm gonna take some to the tip of the nose, down the bridge. Kind of messed up my brow a little bit here, so I'm just gonna fix it. I'm using my Colourpop pencil. So for the eyes, of course, we're doing a fall inspired tutorial, and today I'm going to play with the 420 Mel Cosmetics palette. This is a palette that I've been eyeing for probably years. I'm not going to lie. I never tried anything from Mel Cosmetics, so this is my first time trying anything, and I am so excited. This just screams fall, and this color right here, it sold me. I've already prepped my lids, you guys, and I'm going to start with the shade Roll It, which is probably the deepest in the palette. Find this right here. Then I'm going to take the shade Faded, and that one's going to go right up here. And I'm even going to take a little bit of Shotgun, which is the brightest green. I went ahead and cut the crease off camera. Now I'm going to go in and apply the color to the lid. And of course, I want to keep it bright, so I'm going to go back with this shade right here because it is just so stunning. And we're going to lay this all over the lid. So for the waterline, obviously I want to tie it in with the lid. So we're going to add a pop of color. This is Citrus from LA Colors. They're neon gel eyeliners. Definitely my favorite, you guys. Don't sleep on these. These are super affordable and the pigment is amazing. They are a little waxy, but I mean the payoff is there. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the eye off camera, and I will be back with the lips and we can finish off this tutorial. I got a little excited and a little ahead of myself, and I filmed, or I did my lips off camera. I did film them for my Instagram, but I'm just going to show you guys what I used. So I have the Shayla X Colourpop Lippy Pencil in BFF4. This is just a very deep, dark chocolate brown. As you can see, it's super, super rich. And then on my lips, I am using Cozy and Knock on Wood from Dose of Colors. This is like my favorite lip combo when I want like a little bit of a cool tone, very fall appropriate lip. So that is it, you guys. This is a full face using makeup that I was reaching for in the month of September. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, everything will be linked in the description box down below. Don't forget to check out Dossier, check out their perfumes, and let me know which one is your favorite if you've already bought some. And of course, don't forget to use my discount code so you can save some money. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of this look. Honestly, I love the way this turned out. It is such a bright, like, fall makeup look, and I'm here for it. So that is it for me. Thank you for being here. I love you, and until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.